welcome back to the channel, peeps. Don't know Motorsportja. So right now today I'm gonna get some rims for the machine right here. Yeah man, I'm gonna get some rims for the 2ZZ. So just journey with me while I go to the location. Yeah man, a good little drive from where I am at this moment. So yeah man, so journey with me. I want to big up all of my fans that we are tuning into the channel Motorsportja. You don't know, be vibes. You see me? Yeah man. So right now the machine I look sweet to the peeps. Yeah man, I hope you guys like the rims also because I really love them. So I hope you guys like them also. Yeah man, I don't know the vibe. So right now peeps, I'm at Iron Shore in Montego Bay. I stopped to get some gas. Just waiting on the road to clear. General.
Yo, stop.
What go on?
Yo, I want to talk to you.
You want to talk to me? Alright. Alright peeps, so one of my fans say you want to talk to me. So let me hear what go on. Don't know the vibe. What go on?
Yeah, boss.
Yo, big up.
Yeah, man. I'm here at the builder for the Z where you see overseas. Everything good.
Are you a builder for the Z?
For the Z,
Omar Z.
Omar Z.
I'm a virgin man.
Yeah, man. I'm the builder at Z there.
Nice, you know?
We just come down for 1 week and I go back up.
Yeah.
But you don't know me, man. I mean, y'all interview me with the Red Star. You remember the Red Star that went over Mexico. I mash up Mexico.
Red Star. Oh, I will back here.
We beat Seymour, we beat Markland. All of them, man.
How are you night again?
20 ball, man, bamboos. You know, see my Red Star.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm a builder like car. My son car that.
Machine, my G.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Omar, can nice, you know, bro?
Yeah, man. I build it every time we talk to boss in the whole heap of time, but
Yeah.
Omar don't want to let certain information yet.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we just start up the engine and we go valve spin and retain and all of them stuff there.
Yeah, man, you say you want to go down it and see how much power
yeah, man,
make
but
and
you
thing.
can't die until we go back because I send the manifold and deal with it.
Okay.
When you see turbo on the car,
Yeah.
you just sketch up the manifold and tack you up.
Yeah.
So you just hold it and we just video it.
Yeah.
The friend we know say boss out so fast because we didn't want the Lego, you know. But the Lego camp.
You know that one group me see it, you know?
Yeah,
one group me see it, you know?
Supposed to, we're all up there right now still.
Yeah, man, all of my virgin too much.
Yeah, man, we're all go wind up. But me I started, you know, just by I started from Mobile.
2ZZ here?
Yeah, man, but me have said, me have 2Z up there saying no.
Yeah.
How can they make it, man?
And that don't want to tell me, man. Yo, my love machine sweet, man.
Yeah, man, then the one.
Yeah,
So,
bro.
I'm a suitcase, me left at the airport and I come back and pick it up.
Jano,
Yeah, man.
so which side I go now?
Me I go watch it.
Yeah, the side I go to, but I go brown
Yeah,
sauce.
but Omar said, me want to see how I can know that me I do that.
Yo, I'm gonna put up on the camera. Bro.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna put up on the camera.
Yeah.
Yo, see General I know Omar.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yo, so where I name? Where I name? Everton.
Yeah, man.
Alright, peeps, so the nice, sweet 2ZZ. I'm gonna put it on the screen that you see circulating in the media. This is the builder.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Everton.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my general.
Yeah, man. Big up all our race, man. Them know who.
Yeah.
Alright, boss. So,
Alright, my general. Alright, bro. Big up yourself. Here,
I've seen the fear, you know.
Yeah, sing for me.
I've seen the fear come vlog, you know.
Alright, no problem. Big up, bro. So, yes, everything good?
bad subscriber, man. That's how it.
Alright, my general. Yeah, man, respect here.
Alright, we nice sweet, man.
Alright, bro. Much respect. Yeah, peeps, you see the vibes. Fans then just link me up. One of them is a builder of a nice 2ZZ that I see a circulate the media. One of my virgin 2ZZ also. You don't know the vibes. Big up on yourself. Let's continue the journey. Yes, you love it? Yeah, we are on showrooms for you now.
You know how long me I wait to see it? Look on the beast.
Where's I love it?
Oh gosh, man.
Yo, people about to walk on the whole car.
Boy. Yeah, man, big up.
Yo, big up
Big
yourself.
up, man, big up.
yourself, G.
You mean? Did ya, man?
So is everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good, cuz.
Alright, bro. Where's I big up my G?
Good, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. Alright, now I'm reach at the location. Brownstone Wildlife Wheels. So, don't know. See machine in a place. So, you don't know. Get some wheels for it today.
Welcome to Wildlife Wheels. Wildlife Wheels is basically a rings and accessory store. So here we have from 15-inch to 20-inch rims. Perfect example. We have some 17 6-lug. 1, 2, 3. We have this.
Oh, so these are rims for the bus.
Right.
So what about the cars?
Alright, so here we have a variety of 15-inch 4-lugs, as well as we have 15-inch 6-lug for bus. So, for example, a Pro Box,
Right.
Axio, so forth. So come on up, purchase your rims. Okay. We have oils for all kinds of, motor. So we don't only have rims, we have bucket seats. So here we have the red, and here we have the black. So race drivers,
Yo, me like, what's your name again? Monique? Yo,
Ash.
Ash, me like our vibes. Honestly, me like our vibes, and me like the local location, Wildlife Wheels. Where you guys located again?
Brownstone, Liberty Valley, as well as St. Hilda's Drive.
Alright, people, so yo, make sure you go check them out if you want some hot rim C machine. Wildlife Wheels right here in Brownstone. They don't just sell wheels alone, them sell rims, them sell bucket seats. You don't know they have springs. What type of springs are these?
Honda Springs.
These are Honda springs? Yeah, man,
We
they
have
have some.
coilovers too.
You have coilovers also?
Yes, but when we reach at the other location, St. Hilda's Drive, there.
Alright, they're gonna take me around there. Yeah, man, so I'm just showing you what they in a place same way. They have some nice steering, muffler tips there. Yeah, man, I know the vibes. Shifter knob, don't know the vibe. Yeah, man, tough. License plate holder. Yeah, man, it's a whole vibe speed, it's a whole vibes right here at Wildlife. Right now, rain a fall upon the machine, people. Hey, look. Hey, look. The machine, all the SUC away. Yeah, man. Yo, look sweet for the rims, them people. Yeah, man. Man. Yo, people, look on the F-150 here. Drop low. Man. Where's the G? I feel machine is, huh?
That's cool, man.
Yo, machine clean, me like it. Yeah, man. Where's the rims in the shop too?
Yes, man.
For real, man. Yo, people up on the machine, man. Sweet. Yeah, man. What do I F-150? Man, I like it. Brownstone 5 people, I like brownstone settings, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, and that up on the S3, man. It's sweet on the black rims, man. Black and white. I don't know if ice peeps, rain kind of drizzle right now, so when I get the rims them on the car yet, but as soon as the rain done drizzle, when I get the rims them on the machine, you see me? Don't know the vibes. Make sure you go and like up the video and see where, you see me? Yeah, man, so we're there at Wildlife, we'll see where I represent liquor store, we are going all the vibes. I'm checking for a liquor store. I got my friend.
Alright, so this is Wildlife Liquor Store. This is Selena.
Oh, I go and Celine, everything good. Wait, so I can get that jag on.
You can get anything you want. Jag on, anything. So basically, here we do consignment for parties, weddings, whatever.
So I say I keep a party, I can just link up and do some
right
liquor
right
for consignment.
Right, true. As well as we do retail, so you know, so you can come in, grab a drink, and go.
Yeah.
Man.
Alright, peeps, so right now, Monique is taking me to the other location to mount the rims on the car, so you will see what I want. Yo! You see that Monique in the machine? So Monique, how the machine feel?
Why you make me free at
Where you shop it? Where you shop it? So right now we are in the car with Monique. She's taking me to the other location to get the rims mounted. Yeah, man, I don't know the vibe.
You know the vibe.
Yeah, man, Monique. I like Monique vibe. She full of vibe. Right now, peeps, here driving through Brownstown, the town area. Lot of traffic. So I don't know the vibes. We're here with Monique, Wildlife Wheelz.
Wildlife Liquor Store.
Wildlife Wheelz.
I was saying that we are free.
Nah, it's up in town, no? Nah, it's up in town.
Oh, this is another bus for.
Yo! In a wicked! In a wicked! In a wicked! Yo, people! Yo! Some spectators that say me go on like say machine wicked. Yo! Brownstone, big up on yourself, you see me? And a loud, big up Brownstone massive, you don't know if I'm Motorsportja, we're just passing through, holding our vibes, me and Monique on to the next store. Alright peeps, so we're here at the other location, Wildlife Wheels. So this is where the rims are gonna be mounted on the Motorsportja machine. Don't know. I have big up the workers them see when I place, you know. Yeah man. What your G name?
Good.
What your G name? Huh?
Raji.
Rajiv? Yeah. Alright, big up yourself. I don't know the vibes. I can see yourself on the media, you know. Yeah man, I don't know. Don't know the vibes. I load up a place, Wildlife, you see me? Yeah man, so if I want, you know, bad rims for go up on the car, don't know, check them out. You see me? Good price. You see how far me drive? We are Westmoreland to Brownstown. Just for come grab them wheels at affordable price. I don't know the vibes. You see me? Yeah man, Wildlife. What got me general? Where see I going?
I said I watch it fight that bill, man.
You like it?
Yeah man, I like it, man. I watch it that bill from Foundation.
Yeah, I see it in a person,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah,
So
man.
where I name?
Woody, man.
Woody.
Technician.
Yeah, technician.
Yeah man.
Alright, so we can find a technician.
Right side and there that's all.
Right side of Wildlife Wheels.
Wildlife, yeah.
In a Brownstown.
Brownstown.
Why your number, man? Show it to the number so people they can link you. Because you remember say a bad technician at Brownstown.
Yeah man, 775
775
7069.
7069
Yeah man, that's all.
76 and 9
70
6 and 9
6 and 9.
Ah, yo. Alright, my G, big up myself. Yeah man, I don't know the vibes, peeps. Don't know the vibe. Yo, them a girl are hard to find, you know. The matter of fact, them a worker are hard to find, you know. What you say? I saw you do it at Wildlife Wheels. You know it.
At this location, we do line and balancing of tires. We change tires along with a number of stuff. So. And you can speak on the dairy, right? Through radio. Radio.
Alright, peeps, so this is rims I go up on the flat, you know. You see me? I hope you like it, because me like it, you see me? Yeah man, I don't know the vibes. So, yeah man, get the tire mounted to the rims, line and balance and thing. Yeah man, I don't know the vibe. So these are some street and truck tires. Where's my boss? Them are good for traction?
Yes man.
I say work.
All you do is put them on, you go bust it and see how you feel. Yeah. Take a one bus out of it, you know?
Yeah, I don't know the vibe. Come on, rims they look nice still, but I'm not lying. You don't know people if I want in the wheels. Wildlife Wheels. You see me? Where you located?
St. Hilary's Drive, Brownstown. Right across St. Hilary's High School.
Don't know the vibes. Yeah, what?
Put on the other part. Put on the other part.
Yo, that wicked. I said you do it a Wildlife place?
Every day.
Every day. Where's G name?
Done.
Ah, big up yourself here. Yeah, what I eat, man. Don't know vibe. Yeah. Yo, man, creep up my room, let me know, brother.
Nah, man.
Ah, God. Yo, I'm showing their work so far, people. It's kind of nice. I'm sure you know I'm going already, people. Look for them. But I liking it so far. I liking it so far. So make a walk around it because the space is kind of narrow right here, but soon get a better walk around, but it's looking lovely so far. Where you see I go and pick your G?
Look like sitting out of a magazine, man.
Where you love it?
Yeah? Speed hunters.
Yo people, yo machine look peeps. Yo, drop some comments in the comment section and let me know how your car look. If you're loving the vibe, if you like the rim choice that I made, yeah man, just give me a thumbs up in the comment section. You don't know wildlife wheels with the band rims them. You see me? Alright people, so I'm gonna take a walk around, show you how I'm going. Alright, so I have the old tires and rims in the back, so it makes it kind of low right now. Yep, so yeah. Show you how I'm going. Show you how I'm going. Obviously the vibe. So if you guys loving the machine, just hit me up, let me know. If you like these rims, I want some like these. You don't know it. Link up Wildlife Wheelz, Brownstone. Don't know the vibe. Sure know how I'm going. Jesus. Don't know the vibes. Wheelz, the sign of people. Wheelz. You see me? Yo, I love them. I love them people. I love them. So if you don't love them, drop some likes on the video. Go back over the shop, go big them up because don't know I'm gonna leave the location right now and go on my journey home. You see me? Yo, if you all love it, just drop some likes. Yo, I have to big up Wildlife Wheelz Brownstone. Yo, I love it car. Big up myself, my friend Monique.
Hope you come again soon.
You say hope you come again soon?
Yeah, man.
Alright.